Hello, today we will discuss about the objectives, difference between the commerce, business, trade, as well as the employment, why the people choose employment, what are the opportunities available in different areas, either it is a business, either it is a profession, or it is the employment. Every individual or the organization need to have some objective which is associated with the aspect that the objective should be in the context of smart. Smart says that it should be specific. The person can identify this objective, that this objective is to be achieved. It should have some specific measurement aspect, how you are able to measure the objective, that individual need to take this in consideration. Individuals who are there in the organization, they need to take in consideration whether it is agreed by the different person at the different level. The individuals are defining that we have agreed on this particular objective and we have to achieve this particular objective. The objective should be realistic as well as the time specific. Any organization work in any area has its own economic objective, how it will be earning certain money or how it will be getting certain money from the different resources. It is the economic aspect, how they are working in certain areas, that it will be uplifting the status of the economy of a state, district, area, or it is uplifting of the people in the organization, how they will be utilizing the economic resources. It is associated with the social aspect, how the social issues may be handled through the organization. The organization has to take in consideration the social issues need to be considered over there, as the organization is associated with the human being. The organization is for the purpose of the benefit of the human being. It is associated with the mankind, how it is supporting the mankind at the different level, either it is on the state level, district level, national level, or international level. When we talk about the national level, every organization is contributing something for the nation. It is associated with the image of the organization, it is associated with the image of the nation, it is associated with the image of that particular area. The organizations are working on the national as well as international level. They have to work in the different area, either the organization is working on the export or import or any other interport area, that they have to take in consideration, and the organization has to take in consideration what is the goodwill of the organization, how this goodwill can be maintained. When we see the objective in the business is associated with the return. Here the organization is working in the area, how that the organization will be maintaining the profit or getting the profit in the different areas, whether it is through the research, whether it is through the better product, whether it is through the competitive aspect need to be handled. It is associated with the productivity of the people, the persons who are working in the organization, that how much they are working in that area. Whether the persons who are appointed in the organization, they are properly working, they are given appropriate task, and in that particular area, they are contributing as per the requirement of the organization or as per the that job requirement that is associated with that aspect. The organization business is associated with the better services provided to the customer. The customer will be retained by the organization only when the organization is providing the better resources to the individuals. Otherwise, the person will be moving towards the other individual. So you have to see the individuals who are associated with the organization, how they are able to handle that situation. The organization has to take in consideration that the attraction and retention of the employee, that you are able to attract the individual in your organization, appoint the people in your organization, but you have to retain them for the purpose of the benefit of the organization, as well as the utilization, of their potential for the organization. In the present competitive environment, the people are moving from one area to another area. So the business objective is that you have to retain the workforce in your organization which is fruitful for you. The organization has to maintain the values in the areas. The organization has to take in consideration that the growth should be in a sustainable manner. The balanced growth should be there. Unexpected growth may be harmful. Measurable growth should be there. That should be there in the organization. The consideration that there should be better cash flow in the organization. If the cash flow is there, that the organization can fulfill the different requirement at the different area, different time. Maybe it is the major requirement, minor requirement. It is depending upon the individual as well as from the organization. It is associated with the dealing with the change. How the change you are managing in the organization or out of the organization. Out of the organization, the environment is regularly changing. People taste is regularly changing. The people demography is also changing. Then how the business organization will be able to maintain this with the that areas? How they are able to maintain that? Reaching to the right customer, identifying the right customer is also a tedious task. When we talk about the universe, when we talk about the population, the different people are available, but who is the right customer for the individual or for the organization, for the business purpose? Right person should be identified and the right person should be that attracted. It will be saving the organizational money, it will be saving that the organization energy in the different areas. So